Hey everybody, this video will cover graphing a vertical or horizontal line. So a vertical or horizontal line is always going to be an equation where y equals a number or x equals a number. Okay, we're not going to have another variable in there. And this is why. Because a vertical line, x equals 3, okay, remember vertical is up and down, horizontal is this way. So a vertical line is always going to have points at x equals 3. X always equals 3, even in between here. No matter what, x is 3. So we have a line straight through 3. And that is a vertical line. Okay? Now, what about a horizontal line? A horizontal line is when y equals a value. Y equals -1. So no matter what x is, if x is -3, y is -1. If x is 2, y is -1. If x is 0, y is -1. So we have a line like this, a horizontal line. Now, a vertical line or a horizontal line is going to have a y-intercept. Might have an x-intercept if our function is here, right? Or our line is at y equals 0. But it's always going to have one y-intercept. A vertical line is always going to have one x-intercept and might have y-intercept as well if it's along the y-axis. So that is graphing a vertical or horizontal line.